Hello friends, do you own a Kia Seltos with a COGF1 automatic transmission? If yes, then make sure you watch this video until the end, because it could help you save your gearbox from major damage and expensive repairs. Our customer came to us with serious complaints. The car was jerking while driving, the gear shifting was not smooth, and the transmission was not performing properly. So, the first step was to remove and open the gearbox for a complete inspection. In this video, we'll show you exactly what we found inside the transmission. You'll see the damaged components, worn-out parts, and the real reason behind the jerking and shifting problems. A full list of the faulty parts and the complete repair details are available in the video caption, so don't forget to check it out. Next, we're carrying out a complete gearbox overhaul using brand new replacement parts. Every important worn or damaged component is being replaced to restore the transmission to proper working condition. Our goal is not just to repair the gearbox, but to make it deliver smooth gear shifts, reliable performance, and a driving experience that feels just like a new car. We believe that regular maintenance, using the correct transmission oil, and fixing problems early can greatly increase the life of your automatic gearbox. Ignoring small warning signs can lead to much more expensive repairs later. By the end of this rebuild, every required new part will be installed. The gearbox will be carefully assembled, tested, and prepared for installation. We are fully confident that this repair will be 100% successful and that the transmission will perform smoothly, reliably, and like new once again. Watch the complete transformation until the end. And if you enjoy professional automatic transmission repair videos, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more expert gearbox rebuilds.
So friends, now we've completed the inspection process. We've opened the gearbox, identified every fault, and clearly understood what caused the jerking and poor gear shifting. Now it's time for the most exciting part of the video, the complete repair and rebuilding process. In the next stage, we'll carefully clean every component, replace all the worn out and damaged parts with brand new ones, and rebuild this automatic transmission step by step using professional repair procedures. You'll get to see the entire transformation from a faulty gearbox to one that performs like new. Don't skip any part of this video, because every step is important. You'll see how each new component improves the gearbox, and why using quality parts and proper assembly makes a huge difference in performance and reliability. If you own a Kia Seltos or any automatic transmission vehicle, this video will help you understand what happens during a professional gearbox overhaul. The best part is still coming. At the end of this video, we'll install the rebuilt transmission back into the car, start the engine, and take the vehicle for a real road test. You'll see the final results for yourself and find out whether the jerking is completely gone and if the gear shifts are smooth again. So stay with us until the very end. You won't want to miss the final test drive and the amazing transformation of this Kia Seltos automatic transmission.